Good morning, everyone. From the first day of summer in the city, we're loading up the car with merch. Let's head to Excel Center. Yay! Arrived at Sitsi, setting up the stand. We've got all these merch bargains going on. We put tank top. We got make puns, not war. We got the shirt. We got who likes little cactuses. We got a little cactus coming in. We have name signs. We have posters. We got wristbands coming on back. Phone cases. At long last, the merch table has fully been set up. I'm very happy. We have a James here. How you doing?
Good. I'm sleepy.
You're sleepy? Cool. I'm wearing this outfit. I think I've wore this literally last year as well. It's not that big of a deal. I know someone's gonna call me out for it. I've stolen this spot here. Oh, I didn't even do the call out thing as a joke. Someone's gonna call me out. Evan wore the same outfit. Call out number 3. I put my outfit for this evening right here. I have to wear a specific fancier outfit. I'm leaving in a half hour for undisclosed reasons. And oh, it's people. Hello. Thanks for waiting. Would you like me to sign? Oh, shoot! Are you okay? Oh my god. So I've now got a very quick panel before darting, which is on the fashion and beauty stage. That's me. So fashion, so beauty. Can you tell me your favorite English word? You can be alone. Sit over there. You know what you've done, Dad. Oh, I'm in the middle. Losing my mind just a little.
International Vlogging Day.
Woo! Yay, vlogging!
Don't be afraid to experiment if that's what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? And also I want to point out, like, how many here are thinking of making videos and have a brand new channel? Most people. Okay. You guys are in the, believe it or not, are in the best possible position right now.
Hi, I'm Evan. I'm on my way. No! The panel went great. Good panel. Good. I'm gonna leave Sitsi and I'll be back for a party.
Definitely got a knife held to his side right now.
Gotta change.
Classic London. We're finally back to rain. Oh, that poor guy.
You enjoying yourself, Ray Roberts?
Yeah, man. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. All right, Luke, it's the official day 1 of Sitsi. How do you feel?
I feel very excited. No, it's day 2 of Sitsi.
It's the official day 1. Creator Day doesn't count because I wasn't there.
I'm feeling very excited. Evan doesn't have a pass, so he can't get in.
I've got this one.
That doesn't count. I've got my electric skateboard to zoom past all the peasants.
So we're here at the meet and greet line. Cleek Doddle has decided to make me a book with this cover photo of me dabbing. Oh, is that Dodie squat dabbing? Yeah. Oh, Jim. Yeah, Jim dabbing. Time to keep this meet and greet rolling. Come on, you guys. Come on in. Hello. Hello. How's the meet and greet?
I wanted to be in the vlog, so hello.
Hello. I'm just moving on. Hello. Hello. Alright, first hour of meet and greets and the merch table. Really great. It's now time for me to run to a panel. I don't even know what panel it is. I should probably ask a volunteer. See you later, Blitz. I'll be back in an hour to meet more people. Alright, Luke, tell us what's going on right now.
Oh, we're about to go on the collaboration panel in panel room A, the really big panel room.
But we don't collab.
Yeah, well, you're the only person I collab with, Evan.
That's true. I collab with everyone. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I want to sit next to Luke.
Sit with me. Love you.
This is now allowed in
Keep going.
I really enjoy it when you put the camera and you get a sight of it.
I haven't said nothing yet.
Boo! Right, so the panel went well. I didn't know this, but I'm now going to be doing a Smash Bros. Related thing on stage with Tomsky and Sammy Paul. Never played the new Smash Bros. Yet, hope I don't fail. Here we are, Sammy Paul, you ready to play Smash Brothers? Yeah. You've already played this one? You got a big leg up on the pile here.
I mean, I don't.
I'm not ready for this. I'm excited to play it for the first time. This is going to be really nice. Even if I lose, I'm going to have fun.
So good.
I'm excited to experience it, use the new items, mess around.
The new one. This one's not out yet, right? For what? December?
December, getting the Smash.
Shotty, Evan, get your shotty out. Headshot, reload headshot. Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Today is like one of those record days in which I'm probably one of the most exhausted I've ever been at any gathering. I really should have slept more last night. That would have been great. At this point, I just finished the, 3.5 hours and more meet and greets. I'm done now, I'm a bit quirked, and I think, let's go to the green room, I'll try and take a nap, and then there's party tonight.
I'm feeling a little bit better after just relaxing for a half hour. I think today's plan is essentially to make sure I get so much sleep that tomorrow I have the most amount of energy and everyone's just like, wow, Evan's still full of energy.
Alright y'all, it's time for a bow party. We got a party on the unborn London. Alright Luke, head on out. Speed up. What a beautiful staircase. Woo! No. Yeah! Daniel J! Drinks time! This is what I'm talking about. 2 minutes before midnight, you get that Duolingo streak. You don't mess around, right? You make sure you get that. You day 9:25, alright? We don't mess around here.
Well, at long last, I am in my hotel room. The parties are still going on, honestly, but it's 1:40 in the morning, and I didn't sleep last night well, so today it's time to sleep in a bit, and tomorrow, so much stuff to do at City. Let's just snap forward to that. I need to shave.
Recently shaven, and now it's time to head to my booth. Live the adventure. I still need to get in this bus at some point to meet Louis, my man. I need to find a way in there. Right, so I don't really have time to spend at the merch booth for the first hour of my day because we're gonna go on the bus and then I have to do a tournament for Smash Bros. Again, I guess. Hey Ryan, how's it going? I was gonna drive away. Welcome to my bus. Oh my gosh, it's a ball pit. Can we jump off the bus?
If you want.
Yay! For the ball. This?
Wow,
what are the chances?
In 20 seconds. That is pretty good.
I pulled it from over there.
Did you not see me do it?
Alright, so now it's time for me to go to the gaming stage. Got the good one now.
Which is terrifying. This is the one you're good at. Have a mic.
No, Tom, come on, play with the GameCube. You know you love it.
Please use the GameCube controller, Evan. Please, God, I can't use them.
Hey everyone, Ali is now going to be playing. He's the best Smash player in the community, and he's playing with a GameCube controller, so has no excuses if he loses right now. Welcome to my life.
Oh, hello. Hello, Evan's vlog. How you doing?
I'm good. You say subscribe to Evan Edinger.
Subscribe to Evan Edinger. That's you.
Thank you.
I tried to say it with like an American accent, but it didn't work. Sorry. Don't do American accent.
I'm gonna get to y'all. Just give me some time. We got music. We got bliss. We got bliss.
Is anyone vegan?
Leave Sitsi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here, I'll do it. Woo! We finally did it. Hello, Stevie.
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello. Travel panel on the way.
Hey, I'm Louis Cole, aka Fun for Louis, and I've been making kind of travel, mainly daily travel videos for like 6 years.
Look at this beautiful painting. We got paintings all over. This is the Jamie Joe Art Gallery. I made it a bit late, but I'm excited I got to see it. Literally, Jen running around, selling merch, trying to talk to as many people as possible. City is now mostly over. I finished my panel, finished all my meet and greets. It's now just time to check Dodie out on the main stage, and then it's time to go home. Look, everyone, it's El Mills' butt. Wow, everyone loves El Mills' butt. Why? Not because we're gay, kinda, but not because we're gay. We're close, but not that way. The only man that I love is my dad. Anyway, getting better every day. Getting better every day. I'm getting better every day. Hey, 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 hey. Then do the dance. Can you do the dance? That's the one. Can't do it.
And oh my gosh, it's so nice to be in my bed. I'm so sleepy. What a crazy Sitsi. If I got the chance to meet you this weekend, thank you so much for saying hi, for talking with me. I had some really nice chats with some really nice people. I got to experience SITSI 2018. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can give me a nice big old thumb. Welcome to the travel channel. Hopefully we got another travel video coming up soon. Going to New York at the end of the month. So I'll see you then. Goodbye.